Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between price, cost and value. In a commercial transaction, a product or service is exchanged for a price between the buyer and seller. So, we can say that price is the amount to be paid in order to get the product or service. There are many people who believe that price, cost and value of a product or service are one and the same thing, but there is nothing like that. Cost is basically the aggregate monetary value of the inputs used in the production of the goods or delivery of services. Conversely, value of a product or service is the utility or worth of the product or service for an individual. So, let's look into the basic differences between price, cost and value in a tabular form. Difference number 1. The price implies the financial compensation for the supply or use of the product or service, whereas cost refers to the amount of expenditure made on a particular product to produce it or to undertake any activity. On the contrary, value implies the usefulness and desirability of a product or service to a customer. Number 2. Price is what the company charges for goods or services from its customers, whereas cost is what the company pays to acquire goods and services for production. On the contrary, value is what goods or services pay to the customers, or worth of the goods or services to the customers. Number 3. While the price of the product is determined by the customer's or marketer's viewpoint, the cost is ascertained from the producer's viewpoint. But the value can be determined from the consumer's viewpoint, because he or she is the ultimate user of the product or service, who is going to use the product in real. Number 4. When it comes to monetary measurement, both price and cost can be monetarily measured. However, the value cannot be measured in terms of money. Number 5. Price is estimated through the pricing policy and strategy of the company. Unlike price, cost is assessed on the basis of actual expenditure incurred on manufacturing a particular product, but the estimation of value is based on a customer's opinion about the product or service. And difference number 6. Market fluctuations causing due to demand and supply forces or competitive forces or the prices of related items often affect the price of the product. Similarly, there are a number of factors which leads to the rise and fall in the elements of cost, that is, material, labor and overheads, which may include a change in economic condition, government interference, technological changes, and so on. However, the value of a product or service for a consumer is not affected by market fluctuations.